Yeah.
And it's not done. I want to put something here.
You can put a trash.
And I want to make maybe this table.
Yeah, for tools. Yeah, because we need to put tools here. But you have like something to put here? Like a plywood?
Something, I don't know. But it must be like something light. Not from maybe wood
like this.
I can put here.
If you put tips, you like this.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, you make some holes.
Good morning.
I'm sure it's great.
Where you put your tool?
On my tool cart.
No, if you sit here. I don't sit here.
Yeah.
You put your tool.
Yeah, you need at least this much room, right? Just to go in underneath too. So I wouldn't go any higher than that. But if you were here, you'd be good, right? Put them down and then reach up, lean your hands, push, push down.
27. 27. Good morning.
Now you need to remake it out of carbon fiber.
Imagine.
All carbon fiber, 100%.
Good morning, 2,000 bucks.
1,000. I got this one. I undercut Alex by 50%.
27.
He laughed.
27. Wow.
Well, carbon fiber, man, or I'm not using it. I could get a slipper. Great. Now cross frame.
I can put something inside maybe. One this.
Put one in the middle.
Yeah, and the center. Like this.
Yep.
Давай. Why?
Just make nice. Like a little bit spray. Black.
Plastic dip. Wow, plastic.
That's too much.
Black.
Yeah, but you need how many cans for this? Just cheaper one, just black.
I have 2 balloons.
But is enough for this? Yeah, like.
Thanks. Watch him go straight through. No, you put the board on there. Okay, I can tell you put the board on there. Much better.
Wow.
Where are you gonna keep this though?
Yeah.
Strap it to the roof. You're gonna need a winch to hoist it up to the roof when we're not using it.
This
This space keeps getting wider, you know?
See, like a custom.
You only get one stall when it hails, man.
Or move to the other side.
He's gonna get the whole other side. We'll just move him over to the other side into Alex's bay. Pop her in the middle. You got a little fucking tool tray now. I'm just looking.
Just
It's a little bit of a pain getting under the wood, right?
just hooks. Maybe.
Drill holes in the wood. Not even joking. Fucking holes. Right in the wood. Then you can go straight through with the tool. Pry off the wood.
Not bad idea.
Oh, like this.
Yeah, like right here.
I can put
Make
here.
fucking notches in here,
Yeah,
right? If
put-
you make notches, then it'd be great, because then you can stick tools through.
But not big, small.
Yeah, just enough room for tools, right?
It'd be good for training, Alex.
It's great good.
It's great for everyone. I told you because.
Good for everyone.
I don't know.
I just put
Yeah, I can.
But you know, you pry here, no? Today you would put this space, like if you put
No, but these, see, how you can take, sit here. Take this, small one, I don't know, this. Now, how will you work?
it's okay.
But how you work? You're not secure. Now, for example, see.
Man, it's okay.
Okay, it's okay, but I'm gonna give you.
You wanna move? You be good for rest your arm. Like if you
Works out with this. Right. I will put this.
no, a little bit more out. Because it's good for rest your arm. You need it here. Like
You see?
check. I
Okay,
sit
I
and I
understand.
hold this.
When you
Yeah.
like this.
Yeah.
Oh, this is another one.
Good.
Yeah.
But you put this.
No, now I'm staying in this position. From here, Josh, see. You work, you see?
Good room for your arms, yeah. Let it go scoop the
I look
ceiling.
right.
Yeah, to lower it, yeah.
Yeah, you see?
That's what I was saying before. You either need holes or you need room for your hands. So we lower the other side too. Yeah, nice.
Yeah, this
Yeah, that's way better. Yeah.
just one side.
Yeah. Yeah, I guess. I do both.
Yeah, you can move the hood if you like. It's lower than that too.
Try to make an opening on that side too.
No, we want to put like this flat. Like after it's okay.
Yeah. It's a good idea.
And now I
Makes more room, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like this. Or you have 10 centimeters here. Or you can
Yeah. Yeah, you can reach around. I like that idea too. Dude. Premium.
premium.